Hello Overcomers. In today's video I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you one of my best-selling products. This product used to take me a very long period of time to create, and I used to pay people to design it. But now with AI technologies, my Overcomers, you are going to see how easy it is to create this product. It's a product that has very low competition, it is very easy to create, and it's an evergreen product because it's always having demand. I'm sure that's why it's one of my best-selling products. My Overcomers, I want to encourage you, if you have not started yet, this is time for you to hop on this. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to be able to have your final product. I'm going to show you how to research the product. I'm going to show you how to design your images. I'm going to show you how to create your product, and I'm going to show you how to upload the product and start selling today. So this is something that if you get on it, my Overcomers, you can create a brand out of this and start selling it today. So I want you to go to Etsy.com. And when you are here on Etsy, just type printable flashcards. And when you have your printable flashcard here, just scroll down and search. This is a product we are going to be creating. Just look at it. There is high demand and there is a variety of product you can create. So you can create a brand that is just selling flashcards. And you know what, my Overcomers, you can also make flashcards even for other products. The opportunities are endless. Look at, even in study groups, there are flashcards. There are flashcards everywhere, my Overcomers. And so, but today we are going to be creating a flashcard. So look at down here, just see how the demand is so high. Look at how the flashcards are doing so well. So this is how you can come here. Just look at the product that you want to sell, look at the design, and then you choose exactly what you want to create. And so, but I want us to also go to ChatGPT and just give a command, like they should give you ideas for a flashcard for children 2 to 4. That's what we want to do. And now if you come here and just look at the different things that ChatGPT has told us, I really like this one, colorful fruits. I like that one, so maybe we are going to go with that. So I just want us to ask ChatGPT again to give us 20 ideas. And here we go. Look at how easy it is for ChatGPT to do this. Now, Overcomers, the time in which we are living, it is so easy to create wealth. Now that we already have an idea what we want to create, I want us to go to Midjourney and then begin to create our images. So in Midjourney, if you are new to Midjourney, you have to create your Midjourney account, and then you also create a Discord account. Then when you are here in Midjourney, you just click here and then you go to Discord. So in Discord, you have to write prompts in order to be able to get your results. So you type / and then you put imagine. So when you put imagine, it will give us a space for our prompt. So I already have my prompt. I have lemon white background in realistic style. So what I'm saying there is that I want Midjourney to create me a lemon, and then it should be on a white background, and I'll explain to you why we are doing that as we go along. So I want fruit that really look real so that the children will see the flashcard and they'll be able to understand. So while waiting for our lemon, what we can do is that we can just come down here again and do the same thing for any other fruit. Let's say avocado. Say imagine. Then you give you the space for your prompt. You put avocado. You know what I normally do is I just write avocado, and then I come up here and I copy and just paste so that it will give me exactly the same style that I'm already having. Then you click your enter and we wait and see what Midjourney will do for us, my Overcomers. So our lemons are ready. Look at how beautiful the lemons are. And then you just have to, if you want to upscale, you go to 1, you upscale U1, 2, U2, 3, U3, and 4, U4. So if you want to, do the same variation of the fruit, you just go to V1 for V1 and V2, V3, V4 if you want the same variation of the fruit. And if there is something that you don't like about it, if you look at the fruit and you don't like it, you can just come here and then you click and it's going to redo everything for you. So but we like it, so I want us to go with U3. So let's just upscale here, and let's see what our final result is going to look like. So this is our final result. It looks so beautiful, my Overcomers. So now we just right click on it and then save as. So what I normally do is that I'll just come and delete all that, and then go to the other side, delete the other end, and just leave the lemon, just so that I have the word lemon. And then I already have a place where I'm creating all the fruit and saving. So let's go now and check on our avocado. So our avocado is also ready. It looks so beautiful. We'll just do exactly the same thing we just did before. we upscale it, and then we go and then we save it wherever we have our images saved. So my overcomers, if you know, like I said before, if you know how much I used to pay to be able to create these images, we are blessed that we have access to this. So let me tell you a little bit about the pricing. When it comes to Midjourney, you can create all these images for free, especially if you are still practicing. You can do all of this for free. If you want to use it commercially, you need to have at least one of their paid plans. So let me just show you the plans. You see, cancel subscription is so easy to cancel, but I want us to click on payment method, and then these are the different payment methods that you can use. If you scroll down here, you come here, this is what I want to show you. So let's just open it, and you see that they have a basic plan that is $10 per month. Then they have this one that is $30, and this one that is $60. You can go ahead and use a $10 plan per month, so long as you have a plan, you are able to use the products correct. So the next thing that I want us to do now is to go to canva.com and start designing our products. So when you are here on Canva, if you don't have a Canva account, you can use my link down below and create, and you have a 30-day free trial, but you don't need to pay anything to be able to do this. You can do it for free. So while in Canva, you know, you can decide if you want to start from scratch. You just put the width. You can use 3-3 if you are doing a square, 3-4, 3-5. So when we do 3-5, for example, you create, and this is what we have. You just go to upload, and then you upload all the images that you had created from the beginning. But now let me show you something very easy, my overcomers. Life is easy with AI technologies. Everything is so easy nowadays. So let us just go here to Canva and let us search for flashcard. And so just look at my overcomers. Look at all the different flashcards that they have. These are just examples. You can use any of these flashcards and customize it. I really like the way this is. I like it, but I don't like the flower behind. I like how it has these bold words. So let's just continue to search, and after searching, I decided to go with this one. I just like the way it's bold, so I decided to go with this one. So let's upload all our images. So you can just highlight and upload everything. These are the different images that I've created for my flashcard. So but let's look for our lemon that we created together, and let's look for the avocado. So here we go. So we now have our lemon and our avocado. Let's delete everything that is inside here because we don't need those. Those are just our samples. So these are the ones I've already done. And so the next thing that we have to do, let's just put the next one here. Let's do our lemon here. So we have our lemon, and then we just click here, and then we'll bring the lemon. Just size it to be able to fit in that space. And then you go here to edit photo, and then you just click here, and it's going to remove the background for us. You now see why I wanted us to use a white background. White backgrounds, it will be clean, it will make it easier to remove. You could use any background, but I prefer white background. So now we do the same thing for our avocado, and we just remove the background. And my overcomers, look at that. Just one click, everything is so easy. So I know sometimes we feel that we don't know so much technologies, but my overcomers, things are so easy. That is why I try to show you the easiest way possible, just because I know some people are struggling. I know that most of the people watching my channel, you know, there are people who are struggling. Women, hello to all my men. I look at the analytics, and I know exactly who is watching my channel, and I know the things that you need. And so I know that you want it to really be simple. That is why I do my best to make it really simple. The next thing that I do is that I make it into 3 parts, and so you see why I'm doing that. One of the parts, I'm going to delete all the fruits, and the other part, I'm going to delete all the words. And the reason why I'm doing that is that, you know, when you are teaching kids skills, right, when they learn how to read the fruit and then with the name, it gets to that point where you can now separate it so that they can take the fruit and match it with the name. So when you separate it in the flashcards that you are giving the parents, you know, with time, after the kids have mastered the fruit, they can now start matching the fruit and the name. I hope it's clear. So that is why I give it like that. So if you look now, we have the fruit and the name. Here we have just the fruit, and here we have just the name. So the kids can take the fruit and match it with the names. So at this point, these cards are in different colors. If you feel like you want to make it all in the same color, like the first one that has watermelon, apple, grapes, I've just made those ones in the same color just to show you the possibility. You can still do that and make it in the same color, just depend on what you want your design to look like. You know, my overcomers, this is your creativity. And when we are done with everything and we are happy with our design, the next thing that we have to do, we just go here to share, and make sure you go to PDF CMYK because it's high quality, and make sure that you are print PDF, and then you just print. Now let us open and see our final product. It is so beautiful, my overcomers. Look at that. Look at what we created together. I wish I could see your designs. I know they'll be so beautiful. And my overcomers, interestingly, you can use this even for the kids at home. If you have a daycare, you can use this. You know, the possibilities are endless. So the next thing, I just want to finalize it and show you how you can upload your products. So I just want you to go to etsy.com. If you don't have an Etsy account, you can use my link down below and you'll be able to have 40 free products. So when you go to etsy.com, you come here to shop manager, and then you just go on the left side to listing, and then you go to add listing. So it brings you here. You have physical product, you have digital. So we are doing digital product, and then you just go here, who made it? I did. What is it? It's a finished product. So you just click on finished product, and then when was it made? You take this and then you continue. So yes, you want to switch to digital listing, so you do that, and then you just put the title of your product. You know, you do your research, and here you are going to upload samples that people will be able to see. So it's not your final product, it's just samples that people will be able to see on your shelf. This is where you are going to upload your final product, and then I'll advise you, make sure you take automatic renewal because it's a digital product. So whenever like somebody buys it, it will automatically renew, and they will charge you 20 cents for that automatic renewal. And that is why if you use my link down below, you have 40 free products. So you have no limitations from starting today. So another thing that I want to tell you, my overcomer, is that since you are starting new, you can give an extra product like what I have on the screen. You can create a coloring page, you can create another product that is teaching like ABC, like we use apple, banana, you A for apple, B for banana, and then you just do all of that and give it as a free product, as a bonus to your customers, and it's going to increase your sales. So my overcomers, I want to encourage you, keep working hard, go ahead and keep doing what you are doing, and please put in the comment section, I am an overcomer. Let us get this going. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Keep working hard, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much. Bye bye. Since we laid down to reflect upon it all, it's been a while since we stumbled out